Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add extensions in Google Sheets. Extensions are incredibly useful tools that can enhance your spreadsheet's functionality, whether you need to connect external data, automate tasks, or add powerful features that aren't built into Google Sheets by default. Let's walk through the process step by step. To get started, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your Google Workspace applications and files. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to add the extension. This will open your Google Sheets file and bring you to the familiar spreadsheet interface where you can begin making modifications. Now look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover over Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons. This action will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is essentially a library of all available extensions and add-ons that you can integrate into your Google Sheets to expand its capabilities. In the Marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can look for specific extensions based on your needs. For this example, let's search for an extension called Coefficient. Simply type Coefficient into the search bar and press Enter. The Marketplace will display the extension in the results. Click on the Coefficient extension from the search results to open its details page. Here you'll see information about what the extension does, user reviews, and installation options. To proceed, click the Install button. This will initiate the installation process for the extension. At this point, Google will prompt you to log in to your Google account to verify your identity and authorize the installation. Click Continue to proceed with your current account. This is a security measure to ensure that only authorized users can add extensions to your spreadsheets. Next, you'll be presented with a permission screen that outlines what access the extension needs to function properly. You'll need to check all the checkboxes to grant these permissions. Once you've reviewed and checked all the boxes, click Continue. These permissions allow the extension to interact with your spreadsheet data and perform its intended functions. Now the installation process will begin. You'll need to wait a moment while Google Sheets installs the extension and sets everything up. This usually takes just a few seconds, but it's important to let the process complete fully. Once the installation is finished, you can close the confirmation window. To start using your newly installed extension, go back to the top menu bar and click on Extensions again. In the drop-down menu, you'll now see Coefficient listed among your installed extensions. Click on Coefficient and from the submenu that appears, click Launch. This will activate the extension and open its interface, making it ready for you to use within your spreadsheet. And that's it. You've successfully added an extension to Google Sheets and it's now ready to enhance your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.